Hee 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 hee. Okay, so we've got some work to do. It's gonna be a weird stream. We've got some multi-level stuff to do. Okay, cool. I think it's working. It might not. Ooh, I see what's happening here. It's the delay, the super delay. Okay, apply. Okay. Here we go. I think it worked. Hello there, Square Donut and Marky Boy. I think it's working. Probably. Yeah, okay, cool. Whew. Two parts, don't worry. We aren't not doing Skylanders. Wait, I did that wrong. I broke the browser. Boom, okay. But we can go back and forth, so don't worry. We will do Skylanders later. But this is the first thing we're going to do today. We have a website to build. So, a couple of different pieces to this. This is my GitHub, and I do a bunch of stuff on it, and I'm active enough. I've been active in the past, but now that I'm making a lot more projects and updating them more, and now that people are looking at them a little bit more with enough stars and stuff to make this a little scary, I want to look into making my own website that's a little bit more substantial than my previous one. So what I have and what I've used to do is just have this markdown situation or markup situation where I can just write little files that have tiny explainers. That's not done yet, but this one's a better one. Yep. Where I kind of go over what I've done before. So it's going to be more of a general programming stream. We're not going to spend too long on this. We will switch back over to, not this. There we go. We'll switch back over to Skylanders a little bit later. But, I clicked it. There we go. But for now, we want to rebuild this. And part of the point of rebuilding it is that I really want animations in it. So, during my videos, when I make my videos, I use this thing called Motion Canvas, and it lets you make animations. It's great. And the really cool part about Motion Canvas is that you can do things like this, where you can display things, and it's all done with code. So I can pop out the code. This code is making this animation, which is amazing. But there's also something that's really interesting here. I can pause it. This is a website. This isn't a movie. This isn't a video. This isn't whatever. If I change this, which I can go in here and say, instead of variable, we'll say Jacob sucks, right? I save it. Hey, it saved the preview. See? And this is super awesome. And I want to do this for my website. I want to be able to put this on the website so that way I can explain code to people well beyond whatever. Now, I was going to just use the same idea that Motion Canvas uses, where they use a Docusaurus site that they build. But Manjarin just showed me a different one that's also pretty cool. So we might do a little bit of research before we start. And then I'm thinking this might not take more than like an hour. So I'll hop back over to Skylanders ripping, which will plug in my laptop and do all that stuff. So, good? I think we're good. All right, cool. So let's look at some Astro examples because I honestly don't know exactly what I'm in for. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Okay. So like small animations. You're alive! Oh, that's cool. You can do like the hover stuff. I know there's just normal website stuff, but I'm debating between Astro and doing my normal one, which would be Docusaurus. Always in sync. This is a hard one. Because the reason why I really like the Docusaurus one is because it's kind of like built for you, and it's really easy to just do. Like, you can just change out all these little tiny assets to your stuff, and then it's your website. But also, we should probably do it from scratch, because from scratch is pretty fun. Let's poll it. Poll. Which are we using? I gotta spell it right. Docusaurus, and I'll show more of this as we go. Docusaurus, or we'll do Astro because I get to ask people about it. All right, Docusaurus is what most people use for GitHub stuffs. And then this is another React framework, but cooler. All right, sounds good. I think... Uh-oh. I think I broke something. All right, there we go. Cool. I did a thing. It's a poll. All right, cool. So... yeah. Now, if I look through here, this is what Docusaurus looks like. It's just, again, it's just a framework, but the reason why I like it is because you can just add files. Like, each of these little tiny pages are just markdown files. That's the same for everything. But this is exactly what I want on my website is title, animation that loops, some code snippets, and then also, like I showed earlier, being able to change something live on the website so I could teach something, potentially, on a website and, like, embed different things. Because I think this is cool. Honestly, exactly. Docusaurus is great, but I'm leaving it up to the votes because I think, you know, you picked one. Sounds about right. I also vote Docusaurus only because I did some research earlier today on it, and Manjarin, awesome person, showed me Astro like 10 minutes ago, and it looks awesome, but also, I'm good with either. Mountain Dew. Better green screen than my green screen. Alright. We got 2 votes on it. I'll wait a little bit for that, but the main thing I wanted to really show off is the fact that Motion Canvas, and I will go up here, MDX, so you could use Motion Canvas, and there's basically no vendor lock in it. Ooh. Okay. I'm only showing this because it's only showing our recent one on this. Honestly, we may do both. We may set up both. Let's do a home page on both and put an animation in it and see which one we like more. Because I think that might be the best of both worlds. And that way we can say that we tried it. Right? So I am going to try both. I can't spell. Both and compare. So we'll start with Astro because I think it's the one that may not do what I want, but I still want to try it, and I think it deserves me trying it. Then, should that fail, then we'll go over to Docusaurus because we know it works. So try the thing that might not work first, then go to the thing we know will work later. Because if we make the other one, then I might just like say, let's not even try Astro. I kind of want to try Astro. I want to give it a chance. Alright, I'll end that poll. So, let's start by making a basic motion canvas animation, and then we can kind of go from there. So, command. Whew. We're going to do a real coding stream today. Alrighty. So, what I want to do is I want to create a quick animation for this, which is marching cubes, but we'll do marching squares so it's easier. The idea is that there are 16 different combinations of squares, and from that you can create like an infinite terrain for 2D or 3D worlds. Now, I did even more of this. I think I did it here, yes, where I did cubes, and I made a video on that a while ago that no one watched, but that's okay. And this one, this one's cooler to animate, and I did animations on that in Unity. But I really do think that I should try getting an animation working here. So, let's quickly do that and export it, and then we'll have that base animation to try and make into a website. So, go back to Motion Canvas, get started. I think I do need to install Node.js. Yeah, Node.js. Let's do that real quick. Download. I accept my license agreement. Next, install. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. Ooh, it's still black. Oh, there we go. We're back. All right. Finish. All right, back to here. So, back in here. We're going to make this smaller so I can see it while I do stuff. We're going to move Discord up here so I don't have to look at it. And then this was the Photoshop file. Get rid of that. This was the stuff. All right, get there. Get over here. Alrighty. Run a copy, creating a new project. Boop. Oh, I have to restart the command line. Boop. Boop, boop. There we go. It's thinking. All right. Yes, you can install all of the packages. All right. We are going to create. What are we naming this? Actually, I should ask. What do you want me to animate? I don't have to animate the marching square thing. Is there something better that you want me to animate for this little test animation? Can't be anything too crazy, but I think we can do a lot, and it might be cooler if we do it something else. Cause that would be interesting. Also, the delay on the stream has not been fixed yet. I gotta really write that down. Also separately, while people are typing up what they think I should be doing, what we could do is I have a keyboard that's coming in, and it should be here before we end stream today. Sonic Boom. Oh my lord. No, that's a great idea, actually. What is a Sonic? Let's look at Sonic Boom. We could try and make a Sonic Boom. Oh. Are you trying to get me to animate Sonic? I mean, I'm not against it. Maybe we make an animation of Sonic creating a Sonic Boom. Because I was thinking we could animate the Sonic Boom. Alright, whatever we do, though, it's going to be a test animation. So we're going to say test and test anim. Test anim. We should do it one word. Anim. Yeah. TypeScript. We want image sequence because we want the higher quality. And cd test anim npm install. Alrighty. We're doing good. Oh, the Skylander. Oh. I do have the 3D model for Sonic Boom, but that would definitely be more of a Unity animation thing than a anything else, sadly. Alright, npm start. Perfect. We should be going. Also, why are you localhost 9000? Alright. So, basic animation, great. We're going to leave it there. We'll minimize you, and then we're going to leave this up. I'm going to open up my Visual Studio. It's splitting the difference between my monitors. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to go File, Open Folder, Documents. Nope, not Documents. I'm going to go to my Users. Lol. Users, Jacob, motion-kms. No, I need my project, which is test anim. Alright, select this folder. Beautiful. I trust all of the authors. Alrighty, cool. In scenes, we can go to example tsx. This is the scene file. This is where we work when we're making our animations from Motion Canvas. And I'm going to full screen this, and then we can just, we can kind of have the code be separate. And we'll zoom in a bit so the stream can see it better. All right, move that over, move this over. We'll also extend this a bit. There we go. All right, that's a little bit better. Alrighty, so we want to animate a sonic boom. Sonic boom. Well, there's a couple ways we can do that. We're probably going to create a circle with a gradient, and color 1 is the background. Color 2 is like white. And then what you can do is you can animate it growing or shrinking, and because it's a gradient between the same color, it's going to end up looking like a sonic boom. So, we got to create a circle. Hey! We have a circle. That was easy. Alright, cool. So, let's start by making that exactly what we want then. So, go 1. There we go. So, we need to make this circle have a gradient instead. But, I know we can do that because of... Thank you. Alrighty. Hello, Math. Welcome. Alrighty. So, alright. Just so you know, Math, because I know you haven't been here for a second. So, today's stream, like 1 hour of doing the website thing. Then we're gonna switch back to Skylanders models because we need to get that done. But I'm gonna try and animate a sonic boom and then embed it into a website, and then we're going to try and do some different website things and see what we can do. However, what I did see is in the Discord for Motion Canvas, there was a really cool trick with a gradient. So, is it this? No. But you know what it is definitely, and it's in tips and tricks, because there was a gradient thing in here. Also, this is a great resource if you want to make animations, because some of these, just the people will like want to help you. But there is one that isn't. Here it is. So you can create a gradient, and you can set the fill to the gradient. So we'll copy this whole thing, we'll take it into the code, and we'll just immediately comment it out because we don't need it. But what we'll do is we then need to add gradient. It's probably in core. Gradient. No. Okay. Let's find out where gradient is in Motion Canvas. Search. Gradient. Interface. Okay. Gradient properties. Interesting. Okay. Get started. Let's go to something like quick start. Okay. Media rendering. Nope. Effects. Grade. Nope. Scene heart animation flow. Rendering components. Advanced. Shaders. Ooh, you can do shaders? There's no way. Okay, that's really cool. I may Google Motion Canvas gradient. Skylander hacker the first. That's funny. I like it. Oh, here we go. Partials. Import this. From that. So what we'll do is we'll go back into here. We'll add this, and then we got to make this gradient. Gradient. Boom. And then we can uncomment this. Boom. And then we can apply this gradient to this, not in quotes. Like this. Go back to our motion. Boom. Gradient. All right, cool. Now, next thing we're going to do. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I know stream delay. I appreciate. Is it? There's no way I missed it. Shaders. Filters and effects. Dang it. It's probably in here, isn't it? Well, that's what I get for being stupid. Alright, cool. We need to change this to be the same color gray. So let's go here. Hi. I gotta change it to hex. 1D, 1D, 1D. Perfect. Our favorite hex code. Alright, so offset 0, offset 0.6, offset 1. 2 radius, 2 from negative 100 to 100. Let's just apply these colors. And then to 1 is going to be white. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unless it's the other way around. That's okay. We'll find out in 1 second. Okay, so that's black and a little bit of white, but not a lot. Ooh. You know what? I might be completely wrong. Watch that work. It did. Alright, cool. Also, we should slightly move this over, and then we can see it. Because I'm an idiot. Alright, cool. So then we'll remove this middle one, because that's too harsh of a gradient. Perfect. Alright. Then we don't need this. Nope. Negative 100. Type radial. 0 is not light. Yeah, I'm being an idiot right now. There we go. Alright, cool. Now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna move that offset a bit. So this is gonna be more like a 0.2. Okay, 0.3. There we go. Then what we can do is to make this look like a sonic boom. We start at scale 0, 2 radius 0. Alright. No, yeah, that's fine. We start at size 0. Scale 2 to that. Okay. So I think scale is timing function, damn delay. Yeah, that delay is gonna suck. I gotta fix that. That's gonna kill me now. Now that I have people to talk to, I really need to fix the delay. But I think if it's 0 and then we go to like 10, is that the right order? It could be the reverse order. Nope, it's just broken. Cool. All right, back to the code. Where is it? Why? Okay, here we go. Okay, 0, 2, 2. Okay, boom. Nothing. Great, I broke it. Oh, size. Okay, wait. I see what's happening here. We go 0, then we go to 1, and then we go boom. Ah, there we go. Cool. So, we don't start there. We then go here. We do scale 0. I am mixing up all of my words today. 0, 0, and then 2, we'll do like 15, and then that way it goes like this. There we go. All right, we'll make this a lot shorter though, like 0.8. There we go. Cool. And then at the same time, what we can do, and we will do this a little differently. So we're going to copy this, move it down, change it to this. That should be doing the same thing. Just to check. Yes, it is. Perfect. But now we're going to use the multi-edit for this one. So we're going to yield all. I think we can do that. Let me check yielding all. Because that's what I want to do next. Because then I can change the gradient at the same time. So, animation flow. Public all. Here we go. Flow generates. Another kind of generates flow. Yeah. Well, okay. I could, like, yield weight for 0.8. There. Sorry. What was I doing? Right, I was looking for all. May I have example of all? Examples. Boom. There we go. Laziness prevails. So what we'll do is right here, we are going to do this, comma, get rid of this, And then we're also going to go circle. No, we're going to do gradient because we can change the gradient at the same time. Dot to radius. Dot to radius. 500. 2. Cannot find name all. Right, I have to import that. Alright, let's import it. Wait for... I'm assuming it's here. Ooh, there we go. Alright, good luck. Have fun. Oh no, right. Yeah. I've gotta do Astro. Oh no. Alright, save this. Go back to motion canvas. I don't think it made a difference. Oh, you know what? Let's test it without circle. I want to see what this is doing. Right, I don't have a gradient. I don't have a scale. Let's go scale 2. There we go. Ooh, that's cool. Alright, let's do 1,000. That really accentuates what I'm trying to do. Mmm, tasty. Alright, so then if we go back to this and we go scale 0. Alright. Ooh. Okay, good. Now, I want to do tweening differently. I want to tween it differently. So time events. Tweening. Nope. I go to the one that's supposed to be right. Ah, perfect. So we'll do this tween. Let's get tween and map from core. From core. Boop. Oh, I already got the comma. Okay, we'll change this to a tweening event then. Yield tween value. And then we'll copy this. We'll comment this out just in case. Value. Alright, so value. Oh, I see. We're mapping it. We could then do 0 to 15 value, and we can map this from 320 to 1,000. Alright, cool, and then go back into motion canvas. Ooh, beautiful. Alright, next. So right now, tween function is via the tween function. Cool. Now I want to do the different tweening. I want to, yes, here it is. Ease in and out cubic. Which we'll then add. Alright. I will get in and dose. Oh, okay. Never mind. I will get in when you tell me to get in. How about that? We need to get that from... Honestly, it's probably the same thing. So, we'll try that. Okay, that didn't change anything. Copy. And how about we cancel this for 2 seconds and set this to 2, just to see if it works on the other one. Boop, boop. Alright, that does look better. Stop trying to save the HTML. Alright, go back to 0. Uncomment this. Oh, alright. Boop. Yeah, now we're cooking with gas. Instead of 15, let's go like 8. Cool. And then, we will divide by 2. No. We can go like 5 seconds, and then we'll like times this by 2. Nope. Okay, we'll divide it. We'll times it by like 1.5. No, other way around. Divide it by that. There you go. Cool. Now, we could do blue, like a blue to a red. I wonder if we could animate the stops. So, yikes. I don't know if that's possible. We can try gradient dot stops map. Ooh, it's not gonna like that. It does take in a signal though. All right, let's try again. Yeah, let's just keep going. I'm gonna take in these daddy gex. Daddy gex. Boom. Yeah, no, it's not gonna like that. I wonder if we could do like dots. I know we could definitely do color, but you're out. You're done. You're not dealing with it. All right, so we do have gradient. We could change the angle. Yeah, really, yeah. Oh, man. Ooh, maybe I could just do like .2 or something. Ooh, wait, it's in this. So I could go like, boom, .2, boom. Is not happy. Offset number, color string. Yeah, it doesn't. It only wants a vector 2, comma 2. No, okay, you can't dot to it. Got it. How to tween gradient. Motion, canvas, tween gradient. Alrighty. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. See, that's great and all, but it's not gradient. Nope. Alright. Where is the other one that we were doing? We had it open. Filters and effects. Here we go. That's cut through. Cache methods. Okay. Motion, canvas, tween gradient. How to edit motion tweens in... No, let's just go back to gradient and see what the gradient thing says. Particles. There we go. Gradient. Gradient. Yeah, no gradient. Yeah, I don't think we can do that. That's okay. Alright, so then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to loop this so we can then export it and start building the website. So, let's export the animation. So, I think what we can do is something like npm build or something. Let's figure out how to build this thing. Also, I don't need to wear headphones if I'm not talking to anyone. Alright, also, we should run this at 60. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So, okay, lastly, we need to loop the animation. Well, no, we're going to embed it, so it shouldn't matter too much. Canvas loop forever. Wait until... Okay, that doesn't really matter. Alright, cool. We can kind of disregard that. So back to here. We're not rendering it, we're exporting it. And exporting it is actually an issue. But what we can do is follow this mini tutorial to import it to a website. So we're going to go back to that command line, or we're going to go to a command line. Command. Alright, cd test anim. Paste this. It's gonna build it. All right, cool. We did it. Then, we're going to in the district directory on your website. You can install our player package. So now we got to go get a website. All right. Let's build a website. We don't need motion canvas anymore though, so we can close that off, and we don't really need this. Yeah, we can get rid of that. I think I just changed comments. It's not going to be an issue. All right, get rid of this. We don't need it. All right, Astro. So this is the part where we got to learn how to make our own thing. Yeah. Maybe what we should do is make a basic website and try and embed this really quick. So let's actually take a look at my current website and see if it's even possible to do it on mine. If it is, it's easier. Gex. Let's see if it's easy to do it on mine. Also, yeah, I have that. Cool. So, going to repositories, the repo of Torsies. Alright, so I'm getting yelled at by my magic or something. Alright, cool. Anyway, moving on. We're going to go to the Dev Atlas. Here we go. That's highlighting. Why am I being an idiot? Right, because they're saying on your website you can install the player package. Alright, so let's clone that real quick then. Let's go to GitHub. Add, clone repository. This one. GitHub's Windows breaking. Full screen. Full screen. Oh, come on. Clone repo. Oh. This one. Go. There we go. That took long enough. Show Explorer. Alright. Let's install the thing. So let's copy this. Open up in command prompt, cd, boom. Go over here, copy this. No, copy this. There we go. Hey, it did it. Okay, then we're... What? Gex? You're gonna marry Gex? That sounds fun. Visual Studio. And then we can close the window that I was working on. So close that folder. Close that folder. We open a new folder, which is my website. Yeah. There we go. Okay, cool. Now we gotta find the Java file. JavaScript. No. CSS. No. Posts. No. Layouts. No. Includes. No. Alright. Ooh, you're streaming? Heck yeah. Can I, like... Ooh, I can put the user in timeout. You have a 10-minute timeout. Stop saying bad things. Whoa, it deleted the messages? Okay, I feel slightly bad now. Okay, how do I... So that's the HTML. I don't have a Java file? A JavaScript file? I swear like I do, somewhere. That doesn't count. That also doesn't count. Not for what we're trying to do. Like, that's just basic stuff. That's motion canvas stuff. We don't care about that. I mean, we do, but that's not what we're trying to, like, mess with. Dang. Okay, so... GitHub website JavaScript file. Oh, here we go. 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 tool to find Java. Okay. It's not really doing what I want. Okay, I know how we can fix this immediately, and that is to quickly build an Astro thing. And I think that's what we're going to do. So, yeah. Let's do that. Let's stop messing around with that. We will close this. Close folder. Close folder. We will close this. I'm going to close this. We can cry a little. We already did all of the motion canvas stuff. I'll throw the Discord here so I can hop around a little bit more. Alright, we got Node.js, we have a text editor, a terminal. Perfect. Command. Here we go. Boop, boop. Go. We'll try and make an Astro website first. Where should we create? Sure. How would you like? We're gonna use the blog template. Yes. How strict should TypeScript be? Normal. Yes. Yes. Okay, cool. I like how that looks. I like how it's doing all the animations and stuff for me. Alright. So we're going to do that. We're going to immediately install the Motion Canvas extension, and then we're going to immediately try and just embed the Motion Canvas. We're not even going to change the website at all. We are just going to immediately attempt to make it look good. Or look with the animation. Then we can make it. Then we're going to quickly make the docusource, and then we can compare real quick about what we're trying to do. All right. Dot. Yeah, sure. First stream live. You're playing. Ooh, I can react. We can react to Square Donut. Hello. Everyone go to subscribe. Go subscribe to Osu Player. Give a like and a subscribe. Alright. That's amazing. Alright, cool. So we did, yes, Visible Venus. Boop. Alright. npm run dev. You need a link. Yes, of course I can go link. I think I'm allowed to link, right? Yeah, I'm allowed to link. Yeah. I'm the person. Alright, cool. Back to crying. Cool. Alright. Ooh, wait, it did a thingy. Okay. I like how it looks. I do like how it looks. I'm not against this. It's definitely a Astro blog template. Okay. You know what? We can do this one. We can do this one maybe later. But let's just try and make this look good. So, going back to... Whew. My entire body's resetting. Visible Venus. Okay, copy this. Copy this, and we can open this up in Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code. And we can do the whole thing that the thing wanted us to. So file, open folder. We can then paste this. We're going to select the folder. We're going to immediately open up. That's not what I wanted to do. No, Explorer, yes. We're going to slightly reduce this. View. We are going to go to the command line. Terminal. Here we go. In the terminal, we'll then do the whole motion canvas install thing, which I lost. Dang. Okay, so motion canvas embedding. Yes, we gotta look up the issue. Boop. Okay. Then we're going to do this little install. Fun. Alright. Then we copy motion canvas player project into one of the JavaScript files. So source, pages, layouts, content, components. JavaScript. So, okay. No. Yeah, this one. Okay. We'll go here. Paste, save. It didn't blow up. It didn't blow up. Cool. We did it. Alright, going back. What we can then do is motion canvas player. They include in the Jekyll page. Script. Then we grab this motion canvas player and we throw it into one of the other ones. Index.astro. Oh, hey, it's like a thingy. Okay, perfect. Welcome to the official thing. Perfect. We're going to put it right under that. Right here. Save. And then, boom. Only problem is, this is in pages. /project.js. So it's probably in source. Either the source folder or the source folder. So let's find ourselves the project that I just made. Oh. Excellent work. Let me go to... I don't know where I put it. I put it in here. Right. I name these great. Boom, this. We're going to rename this to just project.js, right? Because that's what the problem said. Project.js. We throw that project.js file probably into the root. Unless it's in source. I'm going to put it in here first. Okay, we're going to go over here. We save. Go into astroblog. Nothing happens. But there's also no errors. So, next idea, put it inside of source. Also nothing. We can try to see. Oh, we can import things here. So maybe that's what we do. Let's import motion canvas directly into that page, maybe? Error. Yikes. I did not watch the full video. No, I didn't. I've been running around all day. Blog start template. Oh, why? We are in source, right? Astro.index. Ooh, wait, maybe we put it in here. Yes. That's weird. If I put it back in source and I reload, nothing happens. If I put it back in pages, am I crazy? Resuming the import player is intended for projects that are built before being shipped. Okay, I want to integrate the player out of a box Jekyll project. What am I even asking? Am I missing something fundamental? Can I build a... If so, there's another way. Okay, cool. Which the project was actually built with. I did that. Just creating a new project from scratch. It turns out using the quick start example from the docs actually works. Just my somewhat large animation does not. Really enough, it works perfectly fine when running npm serve. I'll investigate and try to figure out what my source code is also in GitHub. However, it's very basic. Yep, doesn't exist. Great. The error was thrown here. That's because background is an instance of a run class that doesn't have serialized method. This project background. This is the project background configured in the video settings. Ooh, you could play as Skylanders. That sounds fun, like Skylanders VR. Alright, now that I tried a few things, including the background fill, instead of the project settings, but nothing really works. Sometimes the error disappeared, but so did the entire player for my site. It's the only thing that got working for me. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Where the bundle JavaScript file is missing some of the chroma dash. Okay, to reproduce. Create the scene. Okay, disable that. Great. Okay. Tagging because it seems the same issue as your comment. Alright, thanks. Workarounds worked for me. Run each file through Motion Canvas Player. The second will work. The first will throw this error. This is because part of the bundle file is missing. Package version. Please complete the following information. UI player. Additional content. My workaround is to import into my scene, and then finally, thanks to the hard work. Oh, interesting. So maybe we got to go and add this to this. Not that one. Over here. I did get the bull train model from Superchargers. Right now, it's on my laptop, and, ooh, we're almost at the hour mark. Dang it. I want to work on this more. We're going to split the stream tonight, and we'll do some more Skylander stuff, and I can show that off. We're going to try and go through some animations. We have some of them already. We just got to go and keep going. And I am ready for it. I have the overlay. It's just we got to, you know, get over there. So, yeah. But I really want to get this thing embedded. If we can get it embedded, it just means that we know it's possible to make this, and we'll go back to doing the animations. So I think that's gonna. I'm moving the goalpost a little bit. Let's try and get this to it. Create the following scene in a new motion canvas project. Yes, great. Disable the build mini in. Okay, run that. Ooh. Uncaught and promise. I don't play Call of Duty, so it's an easy decision for me. Tagged you. Come in. Reference this issue. Front color tree shaking. Interesting. So. Old edge case when building a project using npm run build, where the bundled JavaScript file is missing some of the Chrome.js package. Comment out the following line in the scene. Run, move the fire. Okay. Okay. Run each file through Motion Canvas Player. Going back into here, I don't know why, but Astra does not look like correct. So, remember, we weren't originally going to be using Astra. We were going to be using this other one. I'm going to go back to this just to see if it... Because we know that Motion Canvas uses Docusaurus. So, we're going to use Docusaurus real quick. So, copy, command, create Docusaurus. Ooh. NPM, NPX. NPM create dash docusaurus at latest my dash website classic. Like, it knows that command. You know, lstat, no such file directory, app rating. Okay, so do I not have npm? How do I install? This is related to npm not being able to find a file. Did I break npm? What the heck? Where is that again? That is in Jacob app data. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. This keyboard app data percent go. Okay. It is then in roaming. Good. npm. Oh, it just doesn't exist. Great. Okay, so npm missing from roaming. This could be due to a misconfiguration. As a result of the issue, you can try the following steps. Node -v. Node -m. Yeah, okay. Check environment variables. Okay, run the command to update this. Perfect. Go. Let's try this again. Okay. Okay. Then we try this again. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I don't know why this was breaking before. So we're going to create a website real quick and do the same exact thing. We are going to be, I want to use JavaScript because we are using the JavaScript file to import this animation, even though we're writing TypeScript for the animation, because it's an export. When we're done the Skylanders models, we are definitely going to go through and I want to show how I make a video, because I use Motion Canvas a lot. I use Unity a lot for the actual, like, making the video. My website. npm start. I allow you to take my life. Alright, we are back. We are back in Jackson. Or cancel Fortnite for Skylanders. Heck yeah. That's easy. Once again, we just cancel Fortnite. Alright, we're going to go dark mode, because of course we are. Visual Studio again. And we are going to attempt to do the exact same thing for the third time. Close folder. Open folder. And then we're going to go to me, myself, and I, Jacob. My-website. Static. I think that's what... Oh, man, I moved it. Okay. Visible Venus. Project.js. Go back into my-website. Go into static. We paste it into static because it's a static thing. We're going to rename this Sonic Boom. Alright. Once again, recent Disney movies have not been of the quality. Some of them were, but not all of them. Let me see what is happening right now. Here we go. So I put it in static, and I called it Sonic Boom. So then the real question is, oh my god. Oh, right, you know what? I need to view terminal. We need to install that part of Motion Canvas again, don't we? Please tell me I still have this stupid thing open. I don't. Okay. Motion Canvas, that. Nope. Motion Canvas embed. There we go. Go back to the issue. The issue, please. It could also be the issue that they were having, where I don't actually have a piece of the script working, And if that's the case, then that makes sense too. We're going to copy this import. We're going to drop it in here. Ooh, again, easy decision. I'm joking. Of course I would choose Skylanders. So bad. Can't resolve at motion canvas core in that. Well, didn't we just install motion? Ooh, wait a second. Import. Here we go. So this will produce the command in a direct file or on your website that you can install the player package. Great. Core. Hey. Okay, back to you. Great. No, I'm joking. I'm being mean. Okay. We are still getting that error. Module not found. Cannot resolve motion canvas core. We are going to search for that. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, I see. Static in link to the contain custom element that can display the animation. Like if I copy it and then I paste it where I want it, which is like here. And instead of this, it's Sonic Boom. Because it's a static thing. At motion canvas / player. Yeah, okay. Oh! It's doing a thing. It's not right, but it's doing a thing. Okay, cool. So let's cut this and let's move it in. Let's move it outside of the div. Nope, still wrong. Outside of the header. Ooh, very wrong. Up here. No. Me fundamentally not knowing how this works. My site. Hero sub to this. There you go. Alright, cool. So, then we have an error loading the animation, probably because it's not in the same folder. No, it didn't change it. Okay. So then, what is the issue saying then? I'm assuming the import player's intent. Oh, wait. Excuse me. You can run the following command to build your project. This will produce a command in the. Yep. It contains a custom element that can display the animation. Okay. I'm assuming that the import is intended. Great. You do all that stuff. Okay. My source is also in GitHub. Theoretically, the contents of the scene shouldn't really matter. This error is thrown here. Because background is an instance wrong class of a wrong class that doesn't have serialized method. This project bathroom between the video settings. Oh. Let's cd into test anim npm start so I can see what. So I do have a background, right? So it could totally be that. Losing everything on my computer would be really annoying. I'll give you that. But Skylanders. No, I'm joking. No, I think there are limits for even me. I think that would be close. That'd be really close. I do wipe my computer a lot and get rid of everything a lot. So, like, if you ask me in 3 weeks, I might not care, but like right now, because it has all my Skylander stuff on it, like the rips and stuff, it's like, ugh. CD test anim npm build run build. Cool. So we're building it without a background now. Okay. We go back into my users folder. Or my website. No, we're test animus. We go into here. We rename this Sonic Boom. We copy it. We go to my website. We go into replace. Go into here. Reload the page. Nothing. Dang it. Hi. Oh yeah, it's YouTubers Club. Hi, YouTubers Club. How are we going to change this to work? Ah. There's too many errors. Okay. Import libraries, color, import color, library. First of all, thank you. Okay, the workaround described is the only thing that got working for me. Import color specifically into your the scene.tsx file. The scene.tsx file. So if I go into my test animation scene, currently shuts down and you won't be able to exit anything on it until you oh no. Alright, scene.tsx, I think it said. TSX, yeah. I might need to open up a different window. File, new window. File, open folder. Local disk. Users, Jacob. Not my website. No. We're going to go test anim. Yes. Okay. And then in here, the TSX. Here we go. Okay. There we go. Okay. Then back over here, we do the same thing again. We go back into our folder. We find our newly exported file that we renamed to Sonic Boom. Copy it. Go into here. Paste it. Replace the file. Didn't work. It did not work. Why aren't you work? Move it to static, maybe? No. In favor of that. Into my scene, and finally, thanks to all the hard work, yep, all that good stuff. You know what we could do is we could try importing this directly into the website too. So up here, we could import this, and then if I go back to the website, nothing. No, okay, great. It's really annoying me because this animation should be simple. It should be really simple. But that's why we do this now, before we spend 20 hours into it. Including setting the background via view fill instead of the project settings, but nothing really works. Sometimes the error disappeared, but so far the entire player on my site. Ooh, right, there's a instead of project settings. Yeah, we could go and do view.fill null. Okay. Command line. Build. I doubt this is going to change anything. Sonic Boom. Copy. Paste. Oh, right. This is the wrong one. Yeah, okay, get rid of you. That's still my website. Oh, dang it. No. Yeah, no, my website source pages paste into here, but get rid of it in the other Visual Studio because I moved it down here to Sonic Boom. Yeah. Okay. No, nothing. I think of the show. Oh no. Alright, so love you guys too. Let me see here. Why are we broken? We are broken. Still broken. So we're getting this source file from Sonic Boom. Now, question, if I moved Sonic Boom into the main directory, right? Would that break everything? No, it doesn't. It just doesn't do anything. Great. But if I change this stuff, it does change things, right? So, Docusaurus tutorial, Jacob can't code right now. I can't even type right now. Yeah, Jacob can't code right now. Like, that works. This is clearly the right page to do this with. Considering that, you know, it's literally importing it right now. An error occurred while loading the animation. Let's go into the Motion Canvas Discord and search it. Loading animation. Here we go. It was the FM pickle I had included in my video. I tried to only be included when serving, but not when building. Oh, interesting. I don't think that matters, but it's still good to know. Yeah, don't worry. I don't know much either. Ooh, what is this? No, that's not what we care about. Thank you. We're currently building a Sonic Boom animation. We have the animation working, especially when the background's the same color that we want. But the issue we're having is that on the website that we're building, it won't load the animation. And I think it's not us. I don't think it's the website. I actually now think it might be the animation itself. Not the animation, sorry. The actual, what's it called? This motion canvas itself, not us. So it's gonna be a bit of a different error to fix. But once we figure it out, it's gonna be amazing. Because it means we can now embed all my animations for my videos into a website that can play them live. Oh boy. Own the how much is it to own the legal rights to Sonic Boom? That's a good question. Microsoft owns it, so it would take some work. However, if you pick some of the more obscure Skylanders, they might sell it to you, like sell you the rights to use it for a second. But you know that would be really hard to convince them to try and do that. In general, right? This is the Docusaurus stuff. Okay, we tried the color thing. We tried the color thing here. We also tried the color thing in the other thing. Ooh, interesting. It said an error occurred while loading the animation. Well, my animation also includes Motion Canvas 2D. Yeah. We may need to install this into the project. So that might be it. We may need to install every package individually. Sonic Boom, the series about the hedgehog, that is a different story. I think Sonic is too hard to obtain. No, error occurred while loading the animation. Uh... uh... I could ask their Discord, but I don't know if it's the right option. It may not be. New to motion canvas. Can I select which scene to load for the animation? That's so hard. It's really weird. Let me figure out what's happening here. Tips and tricks. Again, great thing, but website. Ooh. I found a workaround to make it work by interviewing the classmate in the execution in the file. Move then up before declaring all of the other classes. Okay, interesting. Oh, dang! 3 days ago. All right, we're not gonna get an answer from that, sadly. Sadly, not the box. At least you know the audio. Okay, that's audio. We don't really care about that. I play animation in real time on my website. However, I'm getting this on startup. Ooh, are we getting anything in our output file? Debug problems? Nope. We get no issues. Dang. I know she has animation encode in my website. I absolutely love these kind of animations, though. Compile the animation using, and then import the player library into your React site and point it at your compiled animation. Oh, sweet. Is it possible to do this programmatically for context? I found the solution around the program by just rendering a bootstrap project in the animation player. Why the text not inside of the rectangle? Okay, well, that doesn't help me. Who are you? Ooh, wait a second. Do you have a website? You have a GitHub? And you know what GitHubs have? What I need. Portfolio. Do you have a pages? You don't. Yeah, you don't. Back. Man, side view. Ba 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 bow. Web Notion. No. You don't have a website. That's very upsetting. Yeah, that's not exactly what I'm looking for either. Maybe you're a website. I doubt it, though. Nope. Worth a try. Nope, I clicked too much. Huh. Maybe you have one? My motion canvas. Learn effective Python extension. No, okay. Even better. Full Astro plus MC mod. Whoa, wait a second. Astro. Wait a second. This might be the answer. Because this is a motion canvas animations not rendered, not SSR into an Astro generated website. Hi. What are you? Open with GitHub Desktop, please. I realize that I'm completely destroying all of my file systems right now by doing this. Completely and utterly destroying it. So, in here, Oh, ho, 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 ho. No way. All right, cool. So, if I copy this, we go into command line, we CD into it. We didn't get all of it, did we? There we go. Then we go to Astro. Also, you're not here anymore, are you? No, you're not. Okay, sorry about that. Astro. We go back into Astro. We get started. We already... Installation and setup. We did that. We did that. npm create. Great. npm create. Great. We did this. Edit your project. Great. npm run dev. Oh man, which one was which? This one. Uh-oh. That's not what I wanted. There you go. Okay, that's not good. Okay, wait. Maybe it explains how to use it. Maybe we gotta go into packages. Astro website. Okay, maybe we gotta go into that. So we'll CD. We'll go into here. We'll go back here. We'll go... So, no. The other one, because I opened it up. Here we go. Packages, Astro website. We'll go into this instead. CD, boom. And then run dev. No. Maybe we go into my dev one instead. So, let's close a couple things. Okay. Let's close a bunch of things. Okay. We're gonna close this. Close this. Close this. Close folder. Close this. Go here. File. Close folder. Close this. Okay. Close, 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 close. Close all of it. Alright. Visual Studio Code. We're going to open up Astro again. We're going to loop right back around the Astro. Oh, you mean on your stream? Heck yeah. Bet. I may be very bad at moderating, but I can do my best. File, open folder, on the documents, Astro, no. Users. This is why I've messed up. Visible Venus. Here we go. Select the folder. Inside of the terminal is where we're going to run npm no, whatever the command was for Astro. Get started. Installation and setup. We run the command that's down here. Run dev. Yeah, let's install the Astro thing. We're gonna run that. npm run dev. Yes. Yes. All right, we're back. Right now, here's the difference this time. We have the motion canvas player. We also have imported the other thing. So, inside of the file system, which we are going to now open up, open, that's not what I meant. I think I may need to just full on just open. Yeah, I'll just go through here. So we're going to go, one of them is going to go to here, and the other one is going to go to my user folder, and we're going to like meld them together. So, Visible Venus, yep. Source and public. Okay, so let's go to public. Let's go to public. Move it in here. Replace. Okay. Go to source. Go to source. Move all of this into here. Replace. Okay. Go back. Go back. Move all of this into here. Okay. A little worrying, but that's okay. Go back. Go back. I think I broke it completely. Oh, brother. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And then we go into here. We do this. Yeah. Okay, and then in source. In source. Okay. Let's do it in reverse. Let's put everything in... Yeah. Let's put all of this into the source in here. And then we'll go into Astro website. And then replace. No. There we go. No, yeah, it's in here. Okay. Okay, it failed to extend this, but that's okay. We can figure that out. I think it's might be working. It's just we got to install the... We got to install the thingy. Okay. Okay. Ooh, Astromove. Okay, wait. Minimal. Oh! Astro motion canvas. Product structure. Oh. I see. Okay, interesting. Interesting. Still, though, I think I can resolve extends in Visual Venus T config. Astro. TS config. I don't know where that file is. It's asking for a file I don't think that I have. Oh, here you go. Oh, it's right here. Okay, cool. Oh, okay, I see. We need to put the import motion index, motion canvas thing into here. So we're gonna go back into here, back. We're then gonna search tsconfig. Copy this, go into here, No. Question, if you're a mod, can you ban another mod? I don't know. Let's not try that. Not this one. tsconfig JSON. Oh, no. tsconfig.json. It just doesn't exist. No wonder why. Oh, interesting. I just don't think I have it. Okay. Going back to this one. We download it, and then we throw it immediately into Visible Venus, which went not where I wanted it to go. No. Oh, my lord. I can't even do this right. Here we go. There we go. Okay. Go back into here. You. Reload. You don't care about me. Oh, whoa, it did a thing. Oh. Oh, wow. It's just not happy anymore. Yikes. Alright. Novel idea. Restart. So I'm going to go to my documents. Let's go to GitHub. Get rid of this. I'm going to go to... No. This PC. Me. Users. Jacob. Make sure I'm not getting completely yelled at. Nice. Okay, back to me crying. Sorry about that. I had to look at something. So, Visible Venus, we're going to get rid of. We're not going to get rid of test animation because it worked. My website. Because that broke. Then we're going to try again with the Astro Motion Canvas. Astro Motion Canvas. Good night. Visualize the logos. TypeScript library for kidding. Yep, okay. Nope, that's just Motion Canvas proper. That's also just Motion Canvas. It was back in the Motion Canvas Discord, wasn't it? Yeah. Here we go. Dang. Oh. Okay. You seem to have something working. We're gonna copy your username. See if you have a GitHub. Hey, you have a website. Interesting. Okay, this is like a weird website thing. But you do have a GitHub. Okay, interesting. Is this that website? Yeah, it is. Okay, interesting. Motion Canvas asset set. Whoa. Oh, you have a YouTube channel. Hi. In defensive art. Mute. We're going to check this out real quick. which means you can reference in a project by doing that. Oh, interesting. Okay. You have a different website, maybe? This is a different website. Ah, this is not a good website. Got it. Cool. All right, back to you. You have some cool animations. Oh, interesting. Okay, I don't like that necessarily, but I like the idea of what this is. This looks like the what's that guy? Let me know. That's cool. I like it. Anyway, back to something like this. Animation. Motion canvas. Here it is. So, why don't you work then? What is... It must be the solution we just saw, because I have this error. Of course, I did just delete my thing, which was stupid, but... Oh, yep, that'd be because $URL does not copy dependencies over. That animation depends on some shared bundle, basically called this. Try adding this to the integration array in your Astro config. You will have to correct the import path. Ooh. Question for myself, then. If I got my website back... and we relaunched it... Let's go back into that one. Oh, is this it? Cool, it didn't even leave. Oh, wait, right. We need to, like, fix it. No, yeah, we do need to delete this. Alright, that sucks. Close folder. We sadly do need to delete that one. And make a new one from scratch. Eon's back! Just be nice to people. Alright, well, I mean, you know, just don't be that weird. I mean, I'm not going to ban someone when they don't necessarily do anything directly wrong. Just don't be that awkward or whatever. It did the what? Like the 10-minute ban or whatever? Okay. Let's go back to Astro, because I think we're going to end up using Astro. And we'll integrate things from Docusaurus, but we'll use Astro as our base, our baseline. Okay, let's do that. Create Astro latest. We are gonna call this the dev at Atlas web. We're going to use the blog template. There we go. Cool. We did a thingy. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, don't worry about it. You know, just got to be nice to people. Other than that, I don't really care. Yeah, we're going to spend a little bit more time on this. Oh, no. Alright, liftoff has been confirmed. So, when I go to something like... I'm just checking Amazon because I have a keyboard coming in. Alright, we're going to say npm run dev. No, we're going to cd into it. The dev atlas-web. Run np... nope. npm run dev. There we go. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Here we go. Boop. Yes. Cool. Blog. Yes. Boom. Nice. Alright, awesome. Go back home. Great. We'll probably default the website to be dark mode. Alright, let me get rid of that. Getting rid of that. We're doing that. Okay, now. Blog, works on side guide. Okay. Great. Great. Now we go into Visual Studio and we open it. File. Open recent. No, we open a new one. Open a folder. We go into Docs. No, we go into Me. No, I'm choosing all of the wrong options. Here we go. The Dev Atlas Web. Then we can follow how this person did it. Right? And maybe how these other things did it. So that way we can try and be a little bit more, you know, better. Use a theme or starter template. You can also use the base unofficial example or the main branch or argument and create Astro. Oh, we could create a template from that other one. All right, come on. We can't. You're gonna get a. Oh, boom. There we go. You gave you second chances. Sorry. We ain't dealing with that. Okay. So, I have new news. Apparently, we can maybe potentially make a template based on that one other project. So, we're going to do that. Delete this. Right, because I have it open. Close folder. Close you. Close you. Get rid of this. Try again. Okay. We should be good. Sorry, Skylanders. Alright. Let's try this. And then what we gotta do is we gotta go find the template, which is this. So, it could be this. Perfect. Right. Okay. Yo, it did it. The Dev Atlas -web. Yes. 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 And then this should work. So we should be fine. And then we'll fix the one thing that they said to fix, and then we should be happy. Alrighty. This is what we're talking about. CD the Dev Atlas -web. npm run dev. npm run. Oh, MC dev. Okay, this isn't good. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Did the Discord have that same issue? What happened to Donut? What happened to Square Donut? Oh. Yeah. All right, let's see what else we got here. I'm just gonna check something real quick. Okay, I don't think we have a user. Anyway, back to this. Okay, no, you would need your animations in a separate package. You then import the animations from dist of that other animation. I vaguely remember setting up a repo for a bug report. Even better, full Astro plus PC mod. Okay. Cool. Thank you. Thanks, that worked. If there's a way to make the animations autoplay whenever my errors on the GIF page works on localhost. Oh, yeah, that's because the blank URL does not copy dependencies over. Try adding this integration integrate into your Astro config. I'm just surprised it won't just run dev. npm run. Available via npm run script. CD packages and npm run serve. Oh, serve. No. I don't think it, yeah, it's not gonna like me, huh? No, you're good. We've gotten a little bit farther. We found out that this is... Oh, not this. This is actually a full-on template for our website. Like, it's a full-on template. So we're now... We cloned it, and now we're trying to fix where we can't launch it. But if we do, it should just work. May I ask you how to reference error? I cannot remember. Thanks for the reply. Player component in Astro's site. Okay. I'm following this here. Okay. I managed to get an error. Ooh. I see unknown. If you import the player, which creates a new custom element, the custom element consumes a URL to your animation bundle. So, you build your animation in a separate modular report to import the animation to this. Here's my motion canvas embed.astro file. Alright. There is also the idea that we do what I said before, where we build it custom. So we do start from scratch, which worked before, if you remember. Why? Oh, yeah. Try again. Alright. Let's do that, because that seemed to work. Do that again. I know we keep going back and forth, and I apologize for that. The dev atlas -web. We are going to include the blog template. Yep. We are not going to do a Git repository yet. We can deal with that later. Alrighty. CD the dev atlas -web npm run dev. Cool. Okay. Go back in here. We go into Visual Studio Code. We open a folder. It's my folder. Okay. Okay. That should fix that. We are going to then... So this is its own package. This is why I didn't want to build it as a thing. So, close this. Before we do anything else, we're going to immediately move this into a new GitHub thing. So GitHub, let's make a new GitHub thing. Or even better, we'll try and do this on my own one. So we'll remove. Here. Boom. Name your mod and nicknames that can come up in chat. That'd be cool. Okay. Let's delete all of that. We don't need that anymore. This is gonna be the new thing. So we're gonna go back into users. We're gonna go back into me. Go into here. Go back one. You are the website. And then we're gonna make the motion canvas thing in here as well. And that should fix things. Let's go back. If you skipped the npm install step, just be responsible. If we're going to hold 6 messages, okay, yeah. See, I don't even know where you used your animations in this one. Quote example, glowing text pop-up, accordion example. Whereas in this one, it's like, no, I know where this happened. Yeah. Package.json. Scripts. CD package motion canvas and npm run serve. Oh, I see. Okay. That probably broke it. I see. So how am I going to do this? Oh man, this is hard. Okay, can I browse other commits? Can I go into the past? 3 commits. Move monorep. Move to monorep with separate Astro and MC. Okay, this. What does this look like? Browse files. Ooh. Okay. Hi. Maybe we try this and see what happens. Let me minimize. Yeah, let's minimize this. We'll go Astro. We'll extract all. Go. This is a stupidly long name. Motion canvas test. Okay, cool. Yeet it out here because I'm not dealing with that. Okay, cool. Open this up. Copy the link. Copy the link. Command. CD. npm run start. Run dev. Astro dev. npm run astro dev. What the heck? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do with this? Ah! Astro dev. npm run astro dev. Oh, npm astro dev. Number. npm help. npm run dev astro dev start. What the heck? Start. npm start. I don't understand. I do not understand. I do not understand. Really demotivating. Open folder. GitHub. Me. No. Smaller me. There we go. Because the file was not found. Oh, well, we can close that. Yeah, okay. We can hide open editors. Yeah, okay. Hi, Rudy. Let's see here. So, we got a couple things. README. Okay, at least we have the TS config this time. Ugh. Okay. So then, out here, the other person had an animations folder, right? So, going back to the main one. Oh, that's just the main one, I see. Into an Astro generator website. So if we go into package, package lock JSON. It's weird that didn't work, but I see why it's being weird. So if I go into, so that's Astro website, great. Motion canvas animations. Can I download a directory? No, but you know what I can do is reference the directory I already have. Yeah. No. Let's get rid of these both. Alright, go back into the Unity. Go back, not Unity, whatever the heck we're calling this. Coding, real coding, cancel. Download. Yeah, because I didn't technically download this. I did the other version. Here we go. Okay. I want to try this again. Hi. And also hi. We've been coding for about 2 hours, and we are not done yet. I want to cry. NPM. Start. NPM run astro dev. NPM run. Okay, right. NPM MC dev. I did mean that. Run MC dev. Vite is not recognized as an internal or external command or a batch file. That's the error we're having. Boop. npm install. Try and install the package or make it work. But first, we need to ensure the Vite is after the package.json file. Ooh, the package.json file. Well, there's your problem. So then if I go back up here, and I go into like my packages here, package, right, doesn't exist here, but in potentially the other of places, like my old version of this. So Jacob in test anim package.json, Vite dependencies, dev dependencies. What if I add these? So this is the main one. Yeah. We're gonna keep scripts there. Workspaces packages. We're gonna add this. Go back into the terminal. Do it again. It doesn't work. But that's because this is probably not in the motion canvas animations one. Also, this is in this one. Sorry. Right, wrong ones entirely. Here, packages, motion canvas, this. No, you do have it. Okay, so then when I back up and I do this one. Oh. It was this one. Okay, interesting. Whoa, what happened? Oh, come on. Really? Remove. We're just gonna completely remove that. Come on. Ridiculous. Redonkulous, I tell you. Alrighty. Life cycle script sir failed with error. Packages, motion canvas animations. Are we really referencing 000? No, we're not. No, we're not. Yeah. Okay. But that test animation shouldn't be a problem. So why? Motion canvas animations run serve failed with errors. Packages, motion canvas, package.json, run serve, Vite. Failed with errors. Failed with errors. That's annoying. Dang. Okay. This is upsetting, to say the least. May I ask how you fix reference error? I'm getting the error when I'm trying to load my exported project. Can't remember that in the moment. Thanks for the play. To do this, you have public animations directory where all the animation steps. Then you reference it with motion canvas embed URL. Or, okay. I want to cry! Why doesn't this work? Copy motion canvas depths. Astro build generated. Set should be stored in the root. Not rendered, not SSR. My assumption is that to do this would ever pop in practical. Okay. Let's delete everything. Alright, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just go back to standard, and then we gotta figure out why this isn't happy with us. Oh, you know why? It's in documents. GitHub. Here. Get rid of that. Copy. NPM. Let's remake the Astro website. Now I'm like invested. So let's try. No, right. Docusaurus. We Docusaurus it. We've been really trying with the other one. We haven't really tried with this one. We kind of just gave up really fast. All right. That's cool. Yeah, if they come back again, we can ban them again, though. We just gotta keep an eye out. I know it's annoying. Alrighty, so cd the dev atlas.web npm start. Yes. Alrighty, we're back. I want to cry. Okay. Here is how I'm going to do this. Take it slow. In my website, I'm going to have a folder called Animations. Really? Go to channel. You just gotta be nicer, man. I don't know. You'd think people are nice. Alright. So, we want to have this animations folder. And then we want to reference it by doing stuff. More specifically. No. Well, we can close that now. Let's go to... Let's go to Discord again. This is still not documented, but you can already embed motion canvas animations on the bed. We do that on our documentation website, yes. And we're going to now check this one out a little bit better, a little bit more. So, we know that this hosts a Docusaurus website. We know this. Inside of packages is a whole bunch of stuff. What's template? Okay, source, scenes, project. Ooh, interesting. Okay. 2D core, docs, E2E, examples, fill. Okay, examples. Okay, go back. Because this is how I kind of want things to be built. So let's compare the root of this folder to the root of my folder. It's completely different. Yikes. I will try. Package.json. Package.json. Here we are. Okay. Interesting. Scripts. Okay, if I go into my package file, okay, interesting. I want to add the I want to add the dependency. No, not that. Not that. Not that. We want to add the dependencies from here. Because these should be... No. Yeah. These should be similar to what we need. And if we change it in the future, that's okay. But we want to make sure that we are doing it okay. Lint stages. Engines, node, whatever. Cool. We have Vite back. Maya's back. Scripts. Yeah. Okay. That should be okay. We should be okay. Okay. Now, getting out of that for a second. We did that part. Static, no Jekyll, yep, okay. Source, we have all of our pages and stuff, okay. Components and stuff, that's fine. We go into the docs, we go into tutorial basics, we go find ourselves the MDX file. Visual Studio Code, please. There we go. Not this. Close this, open a folder. Users, Jacob, the Dev Atlas, select. Okay. Hi, Cubic splits, sidebars.js. Don't modify that. Got it. We already did this one. Great. Docs, tutorial, category.json. John features. Okay. Intro to MD. Gotta go. Alright, Skylanders, have a good time. Node modules. Don't care about that too much. You have a question? Of course. What is your wonderful question? What's my favorite snack? That's a good question. Ooh, that's a good one. I like Cheez-Its, but I also like other things. I'm really bad with chocolate. Pages, index.js. Okay. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? And we need to do this as soon as possible because it's going to have to happen. Let's go to our terminal. Let's install the motion canvas thingy. npm run build. Build your project. This will produce a compiled project in a dist directory. Okay. Yeah. You can then install the player package. Yes, and we're going to do that. Yeah. That sucks. YouTube's pretty good at moderating comments though for me. They'll like separate ones that are stupid so I can like deal with them. Which is awesome. I have lost subscribers somehow on this stream. Alright, cool. Back into here. We're still happy. Everything's still happy. Awesome. Now, in here is where we're going to paste the example code for the motion canvas player. And also the import for the motion canvas player. Also, I don't like how that just likes to be mean to me. Here we go. Okay. Back into the... here. Cannot resolve that. Motion canvas core in motion player. Ooh. Actually, I think I can go to that directory. Okay, so does web. Node modules at motion canvas. At motion canvas. Oh. Oh, okay. Wait. Boop. Hmm. Okay. Player core. Maybe we just gotta go through and install every single sub-instance of motion canvas. That may be what needs to happen. Cannot resolve at motion canvas core. I did that. But now maybe I need to say core here. We're back to where we were. We are back to where we were. Okay. Now, differenter question. If I go back to my local disk, and I open up the animation, and I go into... No, and I go into my source. I didn't even add my project yet, actually, now that I think about it. Rename. Project. Copy. Reveal in folder. Okay. Pages. Paste. Okay. Oh, there's no difference between not finding it and not having it. That is an interesting thing. That is a very interesting thing, in fact. That is a very interesting fact. Okay. Source. Project.js. I wonder. They're saying stream it in. Interface prompts, URL string. Okay, blah, 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 blah. Motion, the source. Astroprops URL. I see. That's why we don't import the class definition, elsewhere the module does not import anything. Okay. We can do this. We're closer. We have a box. It is the box from before, but it is a box. Project.js, yes, okay. Link to the statically hosted project file. I bet I gotta go source, like, source, pages, project. Doesn't like it. Alright, then separator question. Before we get too deep into it, let's close everything down. Closing everything down. Let's learn how do we deploy this to GitHub. So if I go to Docusaurus, and we go to configuration, playground, TypeScript support, no, guides, deployment, the static files will be generated within the build directly. npm run build. So, command, cd the dev atlas dash web. We build it. And then what we can do is we can upload it temporarily. Visual Studio Code. Hold up. Index, node modules, pmap index, whatever. Can't remember the static for path name project. And if I comment this out, will it then let me build? No. Okay. 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 That might be okay. Maybe it's not the end of the world. Okay, 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 okay. Close this. Minimize that. Go to GitHub. Close this a little bit more, please. Thank you. Clone again. Show an Explorer. No, actually. Add local repository. Choose path. Local disk. Users. Me. This. Select it. Create a repository here instead. Add a readme. Git ignore. We're not going to do it. Go. Publish. Publish. GitHub. We're going to attempt to launch a website from this. Maybe it's just being mean. Okay, so pages. Oh, it's because it's private. Yeah. Main. That's gonna take a minute to build, though. To, like, actually go and, like, host it. We can kind of see what's going on. It also may not latch onto anything either. GitHub Actions. Actions. Okay, it's doing a deployment now. It's thinking real hard. That's not what we want. Oh, look, it didn't take build with it. Is there a git ignore on this? There is a git ignore on this. Oh, no. Okay, show an explorer. Git ignore. We're getting rid of build because we may actually need to build to build. We may need to host it. Remove git ignore build. Commit to main. Go. Okay. Reload. Cool. Also, we're going to have to reset the pages fully. So if we go back to pages, we're going to deploy not from main, slash build. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh boy. Hi, you're back. Action. Well, okay, I guess we can just reopen it and see that nothing changes. Yay! Woohoo! So bad. Okay. I did not. Uh-oh. Do it. Alright, let's see here. What do we got going on right now? Okay. Build your site and emit static files and build. It is now up to you to choose how to host the static files. Get up pages. Okay, that doesn't help. Following parameters are required for documents to optimize routing and serve files. To test your build locally. npm run serve. Great. Okay. Here we go. Usually there are two repositories, at least two branches involved in publishing a process. The branch containing the source files and the branch containing the build output. In this tutorial, they'll be referred to as source and deployment respectively. Each GitHub repository is associated with a GitHub Pages service. If deployment, yep, okay. So, how are we gonna, the way we're gonna do this, go back into the git ignore. Go back. Oh, there we go. Okay, go back to that. We are then going to go into the GitHub. We are going to then create a new branch called deploy. Deployment. Leave it. Okay. Show an explorer. Wait, I'm confuzzled. Okay, so we have a deployment, we have main, we have deployment. The current version has not been published in the remote yet. I don't know. I'm like dying right now. I don't even know if this is gonna work. I'm so invested into like getting this to work now. In case you want to use your custom domain for GitHub pages, create a CNAME. Okay. The output from DocuSars build from the default. Okay. Deploy ready files. The output from the default branch, usually, or the okay. And either from your root or your docs folder. You can configure it through the settings pages in repository. We provide a DocuSars deploy command that helps you deploy your site from the source branch to the deployment branch in one command. Clone, build, and commit. Oh. Show an explorer. Oh. Open in terminal. DocuSars deploy. npm npm run npm DocuSars npm deploy npm run deploy think I need to install Git again. Let's try that. Let's try installing Git. Git. Not GitHub. Git. Yeah, it said 1. I swear I had Git already. Okay. Okay. Yes, open. Okay. Okay. Okay, interesting. It didn't do anything, yeah. No. Let me run that again, actually. Okay. Yeah, so it didn't change anything, is what we're saying. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, my keyboard's 10 stops away. I'm excited. Okay. It's really annoying me. Okay, then question. If I copy this and then paste it, okay. And then can I inverse selection somehow? Oh, well, I guess it doesn't matter. Okay. And then we go to GitHub and we say try, because I don't know what to do anymore. Boom. We push it. We go back to here. We go to here. Oh, reload the page. We go to here. Okay, we don't have any real changes, but we can go to Actions General. Actions up here. There we go. It's running. We just sort of watch it. We just sort of watch it. Ooh. Something changed. We're on to something. Okay. I am getting a little tired. I think what the best option is going to be is for me to sleep, because we've been doing really late stuff recently. Um, I'll keep banging my head against this tonight, but I got some homework and stuff to do. But I'll probably get on tomorrow night. I get off work at 6, so it's probably gonna be later than that. But we'll definitely do something tomorrow. So, bye. I'm sorry for ending the stream early again, but hey, tired, and maybe I should eat